Brad Williams, XL Prime. This one can just frustrate you. It's simple as pie, but let me explain. We have a list. We have a list here of automakers, and they're just random. Okay, we have columns and we have rows. What we want to do is find an automaker based on row and column number. We have a random set of rows and columns. All we're going to do is go row 7, 3, 3. Here's the deal here. What is the row? What are we counting as the row? Is this the row? Or is the row down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Or is it down here? Is it the relative row or is it the actual row? Well, here, row 7 and column 3 would be Pontiac. So this is the actual. This is literal. So when we say row column, here it's the literal, okay? So we have row 7, column 3. Not our relatives, not the 2s, the 3s, and the 4s. These are actual, but the rows could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on what we're trying to do. Here, we're just using the literal because we're going to use indirect. Indirect is a reference, and we have to identify based on the address. Address is another function that it's just going to use address to find row 7, column 3. Indirect creates a cell reference, and address returns a cell address as text. It can just drive you nuts sometimes trying to get a handle on these two very odd functions. If that just drives you crazy, you can use index. Index A1, E17. We're just grabbing A1 to E17. That's just a range. Then we're stating explicitly G5, G6. G5 is row and column. Going any deeper than this is a waste of time. Indirect is just a reference. That's all I can say. And then address, whatever you feed into address, it's going to give you that information. Removing indirect, you can use address. G5, so we're going to have row 9, cell 4. That's just going to give us this cell. Indirect is going to back out, is going to give us the outcome, whatever's in that cell. Row 5, column 2, indirect is going to give us BMW. Otherwise, you can use this index. It's going to do the same thing here. We have an array, and then we have a row number, and then a column number. Notice the size of the array here, A1 to E17. You can narrow that down if you want. You can put this into smaller range. It still accomplishes the same goal. Brad Williams, XL Prime.